How to buy STARBRO token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now, to be able to buy this token, you can copy the token address or click on trade STARBRO. So if you click on this link, if you want to expand this window, click on here. So after that, you will be able to redact to first ledger exchange platform. So what you need to do is just click on connect to connect your wallet. Now after that, what you need to do, now click on buy here and set how much you want to buy of XRP. You will be able to see here how much you will be receiving of that token. So after that, make sure to read all of that information here and click on buy a STARBRO token. So after that, you will be able to buy this token on your account. So this is how to buy STARBRO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.